Truck lock is the best replacement for all bolts and nuts. On the left, using only one tool, the truck is removed in 15 seconds, compared to bolts and nuts using two tools which took 38 seconds. Simple design, U-shaped metal piece that is easy to install.